I saw you walk up and I was like, oh no. Or I saw you drive and then I was like, what's on his head? Like, that's so weird. Like, what's like that coming out of his head? It looks like he had like a unicorn.
What's up, guys? I'm headed to pick up a wetsuit because I'm about to head to Florida with Alan again. It's our first trip we've been on in a while to do some free diving, but it looks like we might have a
Category 4 Hurricane Florence.
So we might be spending a lot more time in the springs than we think we are, which are pretty cold. So I definitely need a wetsuit. I'm here for a wetsuit. Okay, that's gonna be the NATs. Okay. That's a medium right there. That was super easy. Now I'm headed, I think I might go pick up some GoPro mounts, head over to Biddy and Bo's, get some work done. I think Caroline and Sarah are over there working on the laptops right now. Got the GoPro mount. Hopefully that'll get some good shots. Maybe it'll stay on in the water, but we'll see. Hey. Hi. It's about time. Say something to the vlog.
Hi.
Say something to the vlog.
Hello.
Something.
Hey. 1 hour later. I knew you were doing something and I was like, I can't.
Yeah, we tried to do work, but I don't know how productive you were. You were productive.
We intended to go to the beach after we were there for too long. Now there's no time. Headed home now and then just going to grab dinner with those guys later. Gotta get the new GoPro parts set up. The only thing is this. I'm getting some good light so you can see. I jerry-rigged my with an old nail and now I can't get it out. That wasn't too hard. So the box that the GoPro came in has this like weird, it's got this tape on it where you can't really tear it they need a better way to package these things cause like, yeah, look at this. You think I could just walk around in public like this and people wouldn't notice? So Sarah loves to judge me for all the ridiculous photos and videos I'll take. And even I admit that walking around with a GoPro on your head is pretty ridiculous. But I'm just gonna walk in, about to get dinner. Her and Caroline gonna walk in and see what she does. Can't believe I did what?
This, the GoPro on your head. I hope that you wear this while you're getting your food.
If I do it.
What will I do?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll sit with you. I think that's like literally all you get. Like, I have to be seen in public with you.
That's fair.
I saw you walk up and I was like, oh no. And then I was like, what's on his head? Like, that's so weird. Like, what's like that coming out of his head? It looks like he had like a unicorn behind. And I was like, that's a GoPro. Like, I'm done. Oh, and you're filming this too. Oh, good. Good.
Sarah challenged me to wear it through the line.
Yeah, I did.
I love how, since I like put it on, you're like having a conversation, but every few seconds you like glance at it.
I know, I
like,
can't not. So you get jalapenos and you have to start at all of these vlogs. Okay, you're done.
what secrets do you have back there?
You're never getting the Krabby Patty formula.
Where's Chris?
I don't know.
What happened?
I don't know. I got lost.
So just about everybody got lost on the way here because I said, let's go to this Food Lion. And then
There's lots of food lines.
neither of them were like, I don't know what that is. Or well, she was confused about which one it is. Oh, there's Chris.
Oh,
Chris,
there he goes.
Chris had no idea where.
Okay, you know what I did? I tried to U-turn there and it like didn't work, and then I had to kind of like back up a little bit, like mid U-turn. Oh, it's bad.
Yeah, Chris, I called him. He was like, yeah, I actually have no idea where that is. I was like, you didn't say anything? Oh, there he is. He's coming in. So you said you had no idea where we were going.
Yes.
But you were just like, hey, I'll get in my truck and figure it out.
That's usually how I roll.
Making progress.
Yeah, we've been talking.
Oh, good. You made progress.
Get your bougie butt out of there.
Okay.
Get your ice cream.
I'm gonna get this.
All I've got left to do is put my fins together and condition my wetsuit
Why do you have to condition your wetsuit?
because it's super tight and otherwise you will rip your leg hair out trying to put it on.